Benefits of Play for Young Children by Grace Fife, Abby Lamson, Claire Smith, Thomas Warnock, and Kathy Jo Young. Hi, I'm Abby Lamson, and I'm going to share with you the theory of play. Theory of play. What is play? Play can be defined as the spontaneous, voluntary act that children engage in and benefit from doing. Play can be imaginative or realistic, and there is no right or wrong way. Play is also known as the universal language of childhood, or oftentimes called the work of children. This type of work is the fun kind, where children learn to express themselves and develop important skills. Why is it important? Play is important because through play, children learn to understand the world around them and each other. Play also builds social, cultural, physical, intellectual, and emotional skills. Classical theories of play. Studies on the reason children play have led to many different conclusions. The classical theories of play are largely philosophical and arose in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Surplus energy theory. Humans build up excess energy that must be released through active play. Recreation or relaxation theory. Play restores energy lost from work-related activities. Recapitulation theory. Play is a cathartic activity that eliminates inappropriate primitive instincts that were passed down through heredity. Practice or pre-exercise theory. Play allows children to practice adult roles and instills in them skills that will be necessary for survival. Modern theories of play. Modern theories of play emerged after 1920 and are supported by empirical research. Psychoanalytic theory. Play is a catharsis that allows children to express their feelings and dispel negative emotions to replace them with positive ones. Arousal modulation theory. Children play to regulate the level of arousal in their central nervous system. Metacommunicative theory. Children play to learn the authenticity of life and the make-believe purposes of objects and actions. Cognitive theories. Piaget believed children use their current mental abilities to solve the problems because they can pretend the world is different from the way it really is. Vygotsky believed play develops cognitive powers and encourages abstract thought. Although there are many theories towards play, one known fact is that play is essential to development. Theory of mind. Play develops a theory of mind. Theory of mind allows a child to play pretend. Pretend play allows a child to figure out and decide what various objects are for and do. This theory of mind also allows children to understand the thoughts and feelings of themselves and others, which essentially builds their tolerance for other people, which overall improves their ability to play.